Reaction now to Judge Sullivan's unusual move in the Michael Flynn case, where he has appointed a retired federal judge who has openly criticized the president and his administration's handling of this case to argue against the DOJ's motion to dismiss the charges against Flynn. Our next guest thinks that Judge Sullivan may be trying to force President Trump to pardon Flynn. Saul Wisenberg, Fox News contributor and former deputy independent counsel, joins us now. Saul, great to see you. So why do you think the judge is trying to force President Trump to pardon Flynn?
Well, whether he's intentionally trying to do that or not, it's going to be the natural consequence of what he's doing, unless the Department of Justice decides to try to mandamus him, which is a very rare remedy. The fact is, the case law that binds Judge Sullivan in the D.C. Circuit is very, very clear. A court cannot refuse a government's motion to dismiss because the court does not agree with the government's reasons. He really doesn't need any briefing on this. He's just not happy with what the Department of Justice did. Remember, in the Ted Stevens case, where the judge did a phenomenal job, in the Ted Stevens case, Eric Holder, the Attorney General, filed a motion to dismiss, and it was granted by this judge 6 days later. Now he's talking about a delay that could go several months.
Interesting. So the president was asked about the possibility of issuing a pardon at the White House yesterday. His response was, well, we'll talk about that, but he's going to be okay. He'll be just fine.